My dear apprentices, this is your coach, Mr. Magno, with another magnificent video showing you how to subtract a mixed number. This is a mixed number from a whole number. All right, let's get right to it. Okay, the first thing you need to do is analyze the situation here. So if you look at these numbers, this is a whole number, and the 20 is a whole number. So guess what? You can subtract those two. That will be 100 minus 20, the answer should be 80. So the answer is 80. Now, we did not subtract the fraction. That will be the next step. So that's the one that we need to complete now. So 80 minus 7/8 minus, let me put that symbol, 7/8. Okay, so now that's our next step. Here we go. Now, the only way to solve this problem is by breaking down the 80 into two numbers. Okay, so the 80 has to be, we have to borrow one from the 80, and that will make it easier to subtract because we need a fraction to subtract from a fraction. So the 80, I'm going to demonstrate here on the bottom. We're going to break this down into two numbers. What are the two numbers? Well, it's 79. Let me put a parenthesis. That will be 79 plus 1 will equal plus 1 plus 1 will equal 80, right? So that will be the next aspect of this, okay? Now, minus, because remember, we have not subtracted that 7/8, all right? Now, our next step is going to be this. That 79 is going to be dropped. It's going to drop. The symbol plus, this plus sign, which is the symbol, you're going to drop it, and the 1 is going to become a fraction. How do I know what kind of fraction I'm going to create it? Well, you have to look at the fraction that we are going to subtract, 8. So let me demonstrate. So the 79 is going to be dropped, 79 plus the 1 now is going to be 8/8. Why? Because 8/8 equals 1. And now we can associate this to, we're going to change the association. We're going to associate now that fraction with the second fraction. So we have fractions subtracting fractions. Okay. And all I did is, again, I turned the 1 into 7/8. That symbol is also dropped here, and this is the actual fraction that we're subtracting. So now this is now the subtraction that we need to complete. If we follow the sequence, 79 stays the same because we already did the math with it. We borrowed 1 from it. And 8 minus 7 equals 1, and the denominator is the same. So the answer for this particular problem will be 79. Let me see. 79 1/8. Okay, so that's going to be 79 1/8. 79 1/8 as the answer of this problem. Okay, my friends, please watch the video again, and if you need assistance, please watch it again until your brain accepts the solution of these kinds of problems. Signing out, your coach, Mr. Magno.